Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing fatty liver and sharing a great shake recipe that can help keep your liver healthy. Fatty liver is a condition where excess fat builds up in the liver cells, which can lead to serious health problems. This is usually caused by unhealthy eating habits, excessive alcohol consumption, or obesity. But don't worry, there are ways to prevent and even reverse this condition. First, let's talk about the symptoms of a fatty liver. Some people may not experience any symptoms at all, while others may have fatigue, weakness, or discomfort in the upper right side of their abdomen. If you have any of these symptoms, it's important to talk to your doctor about getting tested. Now, let's move on to the recipe for a shake that can help keep your liver healthy. Ingredients: 2 cups of kale, frozen. 1 cup of blueberries, frozen. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of plain whole milk, organic and grass-fed if possible. Instructions. 1. In a blender, add 2 cups of frozen kale, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of plain whole milk. 2. Blend all the ingredients together for a couple of minutes until smooth. 3. Pour the shake into a glass and drink it once a day. This shake is a great way to keep your liver healthy, but it's important to also incorporate a healthy keto diet and intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. Eating a diet that is high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbs can help reduce the fat buildup in your liver. Intermittent fasting can also be beneficial, as it gives your liver a break from processing food and allows it to focus on detoxifying your body. In conclusion, if you have a fatty liver, it's important to take steps to prevent and reverse this condition. Incorporating a healthy shake like this one into your diet, along with a healthy keto diet and intermittent fasting, can help keep your liver healthy. And don't forget to talk to your doctor if you experience any symptoms or have concerns about your liver health. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.